Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we will learn and improve our digital skills. Before starting our today's video, please like and subscribe and post your queries below. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account permanently from your desktop. You can use Google Chrome or Firefox as your convenience. Just type delete Instagram account on your Google. Click on the link that delete your account Instagram Help Center. Once you are in there, you will get three options whether would you like to temporarily disable your account, delete your account, or would you like to access or review your data on Instagram. Click on the second option and scroll below. You will find delete your account. Click on it and you will be taken to a different tab. Once you're on the tab, if you are not logged in your Instagram, you have to log in. You have to give your user ID and password. If you are logged in, then you will be getting this page. Over here, I'm being asked why would I like to delete my account. They have given some options. You can either choose if it's troubling getting started or if you're concerned about something. I would like to choose it's too distracting. Once chosen that, you just need to put your password, and if you click on delete, your account will be deleted. Keep in mind, your account will be requested to delete. It will not be deleted immediately. It will take a month to delete your account. Till then, you can re-log in and your account will not be deleted. Right now, if I delete my account will be permanently not accessible after December 17, 2021. In between November 17 to December 17, if I re-log in, my account will be accessible once again, which will not be after December 17. I hope we have learned something new today. Thank you so much. Do like and subscribe our channel to know more. Thank you.